Hi there, welcome back. This is Jag from Modern Work Consulting and Training. We're talking about Microsoft Planner in the last few videos, and this video was supposed to be published last night, but then I had some technical issues with my camera and it was too late by then and I was so tired. Anyway, here we are. So in this video, let's talk about the Planner Webpart. Okay, we're going to look at how to use the Planner Webpart inside your SharePoint sites, and also I'll share some of my thoughts on with the current state of the planner, and also my view for the future as well. All right, let's jump in and have a quick look. Okay, here we are on a blank SharePoint page. So what the idea for me is to actually create a dashboard of all the tasks that the team is working on. So that's why I've named this page as a team task tracker. So we've been using this particular example of the launch team example for the last few vlogs. So in here we got a few plans. So let's look at it. Right. So I'm going to put this page on the edit mode. And then here you can actually see there is an empty space for me to add sections. So let me go ahead and add a section. So I wanted to actually create a 3-column section. And then within each of these sections, I want to add a webpart, a planner webpart. So to add a planner webpart, just click on the plus icon there, and then go, and the planner webpart is found under planning and process. Click on that. And here you can actually see, the planner webpart itself is not really feature rich. It's simple. It gets the work done though. So here you have an ability to select the plans. So it automatically knows what plans it has within the actual Office 365 group. So here I can actually go and select one of the plans. And then there's also an option to add new plans. All right. So all you have to do is just click on that and then give it a name, and then it goes and creates the plan for you. But in this example, I'm not going to actually create a new plan. Instead, I'm just going to use an existing plan. Then within the plan, the other option that you have is what do you want to display? Do you want to display the board? You mean the actual tasks within the buckets? Let's say if I do that, you can actually see various boards are actually displayed. Just let me get there. So here you can actually see the boards are displayed. Or then the other options you have is to display the charts. Either you can actually select to display all the charts, or the sections of the actual the chart itself. So in this dashboard view, I wanted to display the status of the various tasks. All right. So let's go ahead and click on that. Then we know it's an event plan. So event planning. Similarly, let me go ahead and quickly do for the others as well. The planner, search for it. By default, it actually shows you the boards, but I can actually change that to whatever I want to do. So in this plans, just quickly have a look at the others chart options. All right. So it actually shows you how the members are tracking within the chart using the member chart, and the bucket chart actually gives you the actual the number of tasks within each of these, and you can actually, when you hover on them, you can actually see their progress. So I wanted to just use the status chart as I want to build a dashboard. So this is logistics. Similarly, I'm going to do for the other plan as well. Select the launch event. Give it a name, launch status plan. There you have it. That's the view I wanted to. Within the section itself, you can actually select to change the background and things like that. So I'm just going to keep it simple and just use the soft background. Cancel that, and then now you have an option to that. There you have it. That's how you're just going to save the draft, and that's how your page is going to look with the dashboard. If you want, you can actually add other charts as well to this. What I wanted to do is I wanted to quickly add another section on this page and quickly show you how a board actually looks like, all right, from a plans perspective. So here I wanted to add a 1-column section because I need a bigger canvas to display the planner. the boards within the single plan. So here I actually go, click on the three dots, just keep repeating the same thing, planner, event plan, and I wanted to display the board, so it's automatically detected by that. Click. I'm just going to give it task. Okay, you just click on that. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and publish the page. There we go. That's here's the quick page that is created using just the the Planner Webparts. That's it from a how to use the Planner Webpart in SharePoint. But it is very simple, and as I said before, it's not feature rich enough, but it gets the job done from to displaying your panel within with displaying your tasks and charts within a SharePoint page. Ideally, what I want is, if you're really using, say, hub sites, you want to roll up of all these plans into to the hub site. So that functionality is not yet supported. I'm hoping that the roll up of tasks, especially now that you're using the SharePoint instead of SharePoint tasks, the guidance is to use the Microsoft Planner. So with that said, I ideally would like to see the roll up of the plans for a hub sites as well, and the ability to support that within the actual Planner Webpart itself. Thanks for watching. This is Jag from Modern Work Consulting and Training, and stay tuned for more videos. Cheers. Thanks a lot.